guys, in last video we successfully connected our template and then we successfully created the super user for this web page. And now in this video I want to implement this fonting template, which is our geo project from section 2. So I want to implement this to the Django template. So you can check this template. So here is the template, and we already implemented this layer selection and then coordinate and then this marker and then some of the web.js functionality here. So let's get started. So for that, I think I'll move this all the things. Just copy this thing, Django, GeoApp, and then template directory. And after that, I'll change. I'm going to replace this index.html. It will be fine. So just replace it. And then here you can see this this CSS and JS files. Actually, this CSS and JS file cannot be linked directly like this using harf or link attribute. So for that, Django use the static method. So this data should be stored inside the static folder. So maybe I'll create the one folder inside SSP called static, and then just save it. And I think we have to move this all of the other files, then HTML file to the static directory. So let's just move it inside the static directory. And then here we have this our main JS CSS files, and inside data we have some test data set, which is GeoJSON data. And then inside lib we have this some of the plugins, already installed plugin here, and here is image as well. So these all are static things. So after that, we have to little bit change to the index.html. Let me show you something. If I try to run the index.html file like this way, it will be look like, let me refresh this, it will be look like this. So nothing is appearing in the screen. Just we have this navbar, and then here are a couple of errors with it's 20 errors with 404 not found. That means it cannot detect the link directly through this harf link. So we have to implement this to the Django template static way. So for that, what you can do is just write at the top, you can load static. And then before I change something in the index.html, we have to collect the static files. So I'll just terminate my server, and then I'll write python manage.py collect static. So what this code will do is like it will copy all the static files inside static folder to the static directory here. So it will automatically copy all the things inside static folder to the static directory. Looks like nothing is copied. These are the admin files. Looks like there is something error going on. So the static file are not copied to the static directory. Maybe I'll change this static folder here to the above inside GeoApp. So let's try it. Just select all the static files, and then it will be inside this static folder. So just copy inside the GeoApp. We placed all the static files, and let's try again. Python.manage.py collect static, and then yes, it's still not working. Okay, it looks like something is wrong in the setting.py file. Let me check setting.py file. So, oh, here is the spell mistake. So that's why the static file is not loading. So just copy it and then paste it here. Static files directory is the base directory inside GeoApp inside static folder. So let's try one more time. Python manage.py collect static. So we have to overwrite it. So now our 12 files are copied to the static folder. So before in previous static file, we have only the admin file, admin folder inside which all the static files were there. But now in the exact same manner, we have other folder like data, dist, and docs and lib, which are located similarly in a proper manner. So now our static file is automatically loaded. That means our static file is generated the one separated folder which holds all the HTML, CSS, and not HTML, CSS, and JavaScript codes as well as the emails. So now let me edit this index.html file. So since we already loaded static, and then this kind of link are okay because these are the links, so we can just load through links. So for this kind of path, we have to change it to the Django template syntax. So like this, and then write static, and then we have to just copy these things, cut these things, and paste it here. Similarly, we have to do for all. So yeah, so this link as well. This is okay because it's the link HTTPS protocol. So here as well. Okay, now the above links are okay. Our navbar is still working. So if I try to run server, here we have 20 errors. Maybe some of the errors are gone, will go because we already updated our static links, and this navbar is working properly, but our map is not loading due to we did not updated the static link below. So let's update these links. So here as well we have to add the Django template syntax. So I can just copy these things. No. Okay. It's kind of repetitive work, but we have to make sure we updated all the links. So let me try to refresh the page again. So well, now everything is working perfectly fine. So we successfully integrate our this Geo app into the our leaflet Geo project, which is the Django project. So this font-in part only we implemented it through the Django template. So in this way you can just do the things, and then you can just update your template. So I'll see you in the next